Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to buy coins on Linky application. So you can see this is the interface of Linky. So what you need to do, you need to tap here the me icon right bottom corner on your screen. Simply tap here and then click the option research, and then you'll get here like you can earn coin like 180 coin, 490 coin, and 1000 coin. It takes $1. So it's a cheap, not the good amount. Like you can buy 1000 coin only for $1, sorry, on $10. So this way you can buy. Simply tap, like choose your coin, which coin you want to buy, randomly best value. So I'm just going to choose this one. Then you will see like you have to add your credit and debit card, then you can continue after that. So caption, I hope this video is helpful. So today's normal, and see you in the next video.